You are welcome back to another video of the day, and in today's video I want to show you 7 Canva app that you can use to make your video, and the video will come out perfectly well as a content creator. If this is what you want to see and you want to know it, please do well to stay to the end of the video. And the app is what I'm using to make all my videos. What I use to make all these videos that you see here is the app that is helping me so far to come out with any or every content idea. Let's dive into the video. So this is my Canva. I come here, open a page. So the app that has been helping me to create my videos are all these. I'm going to be working with this video. So here in Canva, I want to look for a picture I'm gonna use. So I have a lot of pictures here. This is the one I'm gonna use. So I'm going to use this picture. So firstly, I've highlighted the picture, and mind you, this is a Canva Pro feature, and I've done a video on how to subscribe for Canva Pro for free. If you have not watched the video, please go and watch it. How to subscribe to Canva Pro. I highlight the picture, come to edit image. So on this edit image, this is where I have my 6 app on Magic Studio, where I have my 6 apps that I can use to do magic on this my video, on this my photo. The first one is to remove background, which I've done a lot of video on how to remove background. And when I click on how to on BG remover, as you can see, it has removed the background for me, and I'm going to undo it because we have already talked about this. We have already talked about removing background. The next one is magic erase, and we all know what magic erase does. On magic erase, if I click on here, I erase this color of this my clothes. That is, I want to change the color of this dress I'm wearing to another color if I don't like this blue color. I can decide to use my magic erase to erase these clothes that I'm, I'm using. When I erase it, I can decide to change the color of the clothes to any of the color I like. And here is where you can increase the brush. Like as you can see here, if I want to increase the brush, I will do that in that place. Then I will tell it to erase. So you use this magic erase to clean up something. If I want to, click, you want to clean up the background, I can as well use the magic erase to clean the background of whatsoever I want. If I want to use it to remove this flower here, I can as well use the magic erase to clean the background of the cloth of this video. That is what, as you can see, look at it. That is what magic erase does for a picture. Then I can still come back, then come to image grab. What does image grab do? Image grab help you to, you know, replicate an image and fit it into something. You see, I also take this. I'm going to fit it into here. I also take this, fit it here. That is what the image grab does. Magic grab. That is what magic grab does. So as you can see, it has changed the background of all this. They have changed the background of this my video. But if I finish and I want to save it, I can as well tap on save. Then I will come to magic edit. Later on I will go back to that place. Magic edit is here. As you can see, this is the size of the brush, and here it says describe what to add or change. First of all, I'm going to clean the part I want to assign magic my magic edit. Come here, say change the clothes color to black. I want it to be black in color. Then tell it to generate. Let's wait and see what is going to bring out as I tell it to generate. So as you can see, I look so beautiful on Blockstar. Look it, I love it. So it has changed this color of this my clothes to black and it's looking so beautiful. So if I like any of them, I'm going to take it and tell it to Dawn here. I'm going to tell it to Dawn here if I like any of them. So the next one, I will still go back here and come to Magic Expand. What does Magic Expand does? Magic Expand is if, like this my image, let me use next page, like this my image that came in portrait, Magic Expand is going to help me to expand it into landscape. Come here to take YouTube size 16 9, or I will take YouTube short size, but I'm going to use YouTube size, then tell it to Magic Expand. Let's see what is going to magicalize for us in this video. There's a lot of things you can do with this Magic Expand. As you can see, this is it. I can as well just fit it into the background and I am good to go. That is what Magic Expand do for you. Let me go back to my picture and continue the next one. So the next app, which is the one I'm going to be talking about today, is not going to be the last but not the least, is grab text. What does grab text do for us? Let's see. Couldn't detect any text. That means I have to go back to type a text. So I'm going to use my touch page to make this experiment. Grab text. Come back to my grab text. Please try another image with text. Okay. Say try another image with text. Let me look for another image with text. I'm going to use this for this tutorial. Then come back here. Come to grab text. As you can see, this image and the text came together, but it have separate the image, the text from the image. Then I will tell it to grab. It's coming. See it now. It have removed, separate the image from where I want it to be. Or I can as well put the text here. You see the what it gave me. Let me undo it so that you can see what I'm talking about. This is the image. Come here, click on grab text, because I want to separate the text from here. So I can as well put this. Then after it gave me this, I'm going to click on it, then tell it to grab. Okay, so the grab text is here. See, as you can see, it will remove this from here for me. So this is what you can, I'm undoing this, undo. So this is what you can do with remove background, image erase, image erase can also help you to remove a watermark. Let me look for one of the images I created somewhere that has a watermark. Okay, image erase can help you to remove a watermark from a photo or from a video. Like this one, I can as well use this magic erase to erase this, erase it, erase it, erase it. Then come here also, erase it, because I don't want YouTube on it. Then tell it to erase. So you can use it to also remove a watermark from a picture or from a video. As you can see, it has removed this it has removed this thing from here. Do you know why it has white here? It's because I take some part of the shoe as I touch the shoe to this erase. If you see this place that I did not touch any color, only red, you can see that it's already removed everything automatically. So this is it. And then I can go back, undo this. I don't want my image, don't want my beautiful YouTube image to be erased. I don't want Pico, I don't want. So this is what all the things you can do even with your magic grab, your text grab, your magic edit, and your magic expand. If you get value in this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. and give this video a like. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.